Zev Friedman, a local expert in mountain permaculture, led the design team that helped to design and implement this garden. The Forest Farm demonstration is our largest themed garden. During the master planning process, which was used to envision all of the gardens, we determined it was very important for us to include a sustainable mountain agricultural focus. And that's what these gardens are all about. The next couple of photographs show you the site before we got started. And it shows you that the area was filled with wild blackberries, invasive multiflora rose, and Chinese privet. And these had to be cleared to make the site ready for development of this garden. We got started by actually putting cardboard down and creating areas where we had wood chips over the top of the cardboard to establish beds for our plantings. We also put in on-contour paths, which you can see in this photograph, and those became later established pathways that minimized runoff and held water on the site for the development of a number of planting beds. We also held a number of classes where we did things like inoculation of mushroom logs, and we also put in a number of trees like the black locust, which was an important tree both in terms of being able to provide wood, but also as a nitrogen fixer for the soil. Other plants that we have placed in this garden include things like serviceberry or Juneberry, which you see here. Blueberries, a number of different varieties have been put in. And Yaupon holly, which you will learn more about in the medicinal garden. Another plant you find here is Cornelian cherry dogwood, which is a very unique dogwood that has been put in for its berry production. Another plant of interest is the flowering raspberry, which is a native that is very attractive and does produce good raspberries. And elderberry, which is a heavy producing shrub which has medicinal value. Other berry producing shrubs include blackcurrant, gooseberry, and a cross between gooseberry and blackcurrant, justaberry. Other plants that are of value in a forest farm include nut-producing plants like hazelnut and fruit-producing plants such as this persimmons. And of course, muscadine grapevines are always a must in a forest farm. Most forest farms do include water in the form of a rain garden or a pond. This is important for livestock, but it also is great for diversity on the site. And you'll learn more about that soon. You'll also see in an upcoming stop information about the American chestnut and why that particular species is so important to forest farming and to natural forest environments. Please proceed to the next two stops where you'll learn about rain gardens and the chestnut.